Compare baking egg yolk versus egg white versus whole egg with coconut oil. Put 1 egg white into 2nd cup. Put 1 egg yolk into 3rd cup. Put a whole egg into 1st cup. Put 2 spoons of coconut oil into 2nd cup. Put 2 spoons of coconut oil into 3rd cup. Put 4 spoons of coconut oil into 1st cup. Stir to mix together. Bake for 20 minutes at 160 degrees Celsius, 320 degrees Fahrenheit. After 20 minutes of baking, let cool for a while. Comparison time. 1st cup, whole egg with coconut oil. Soft and rough texture. Surface is still oily. 2nd cup, egg white with coconut oil. Soft and more smooth texture, but surface is oily. Egg white is not absorbing oil very effectively compared to egg yolk. 3rd cup, egg yolk with coconut oil. Drier and harder texture. Oil is fully absorbed by the egg yolk. Surface is not oily. Egg yolk is better as mixing with oil and absorbing oil. Ingredients: coconut oil, a whole egg, an egg yolk, an egg white.